Good morning, friends. Today we will deal with another episode of Magical Maths, that is episode 3. I'm Nimish Srivastava. Welcome you to this course module, right? So we will do the fastest square method. Square method is that, like for example, I have put the square of 5, that is equals to 5 into 5 is 25, right? So these are the things that there's still some problem with traditional square method, that is the same as the multiplication that we did in the last episode, that is episode 2nd. Okay, and if you are not watch my second episode, you should watch my first, second, and third episode, right? So starting for the square, first of all, what you need to remember the squares of the 10, right? So I will put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Then 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the square of 1 is 1, the square of 2 is 4, the square of 3 is 9, the square of 4 is 16, the square of 5 is 25, right? Okay, now the square of 6 is 36, the square of 7 is 49, the square of 8 is 64, the square of 9 is 81, and the square of 10 is 100, right? So these are the squares that you have to learn by heart. I think that you also learn these from the previous classes and the starting classes. Okay, so let's move to our question. For example, I have to find the square of 41. 41 square. So how you do it? First time we have to write the square of 4. The square of 4 is 16. Place a black slash here, right? And now you have to multiply this by 4 into 1, right? You have to multiply these two with 2, right? And last you have to square 1. 1 square is what? 1 square is 1 into 1 is 1, right? So here I put it as 4 into 4, right? So that you can understand, right? Okay, so 4 into 4 is 16, and this is 8, and this is 8, right? So 1 is here, 8 is here, and 16 is here. So the solution is 1681. You can check with the help of calculator whether this solution is appropriate or not. Okay, so next move to another one. I think you will enjoy these episodes. Great. So next one is 97, right? So 9 into 9, I will put this 9 into 9 is 81, right? And 2 into 9 into 7, okay, and 7 into 7, okay. So 9 into 9 is 81, right? And 9 into 7 is 63, 63 into 2 is 126, right? And 7 into 7 is 49, okay. So for this you should put this 4 in this, and you should put all this 2 digit to the next one, right? So I will put here for you, this is 9, and 4 is going to be added, becomes 130, right? So 130, 0 is there, and the 2 digit 330, 30 will be passed on to the next one. So now it becomes 81 plus 30. 81 plus 10 is 91, plus 3 is 94. Answer is 9409. Okay, so these are the things from which you can get the answer as fast as possible by using the square method, right? So I will give you some examples to solve. Let's try another one. 47 square. right? So 4 is 16, right? And 7 into 4 is 20, 28 into 2 is 56. This is 56, okay? And 7 into 7 is 49, right? So 9 is there, 4 should be carried out, it becomes 0, and it will become 6. 6 is to be carried out. Now it will become 22. So 2209 will be the answer. Okay. Now I'll give you some questions and you should do by your own. If you face any problem, you just mail me. That is 64 square, 89 square, 74 square, 61 square, 54 square. So you should do it, right? If you face any problem, you can mail me at A2Z Learning Academy @gmail.com. So thank you for watching this third episode. Have a nice day.